Okay, to do the Autographic screen print, what you're going to need is, I mean, you can do this in multiple layers, but if you just want to do one layer, you're going to need an image that is obviously just black and white. So I've used the threshold tool on Photoshop to make it like that. Then I need to get my screen and place it over it so I can see what's there. I then get my screen block and I'm going to paint this over the bits that I want to remain white. So open that up. And just like you normally will paint anything, to start applying it, I'm just going to go around the edges to start with. I'm going to do it very quickly as well. And now once that dries, I can start printing. Okay, and then the next step with this is to put your ink on it once it's dried, have it facing down onto your paper, and then use your squeegee again, and you should hopefully get a nice print from it. And there you have it.